How to activate Discover credit card online. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to activate your credit card online for Discover, you may follow up this method. So, head over to discover.com and you should be finding this particular website right here. And in order to activate, you can directly head over and look out for credit card section, this one right here, or basically go ahead to the browser here and search for activate Discover credit card, and you will directly find a link available. So look out for this option called Activate Your New Discover Card for card.discover.com. Head over, follow up the process, tap on it. After you tap on the link, you will be taken to this page here. Now you just need to follow the process to activate your card. Here, first of all, go ahead and enter up a 16-digit card number starting with 6011. Here, right in this section, 16-digit. And right below it, you need to enter up the last four digits or of SSN or ITIN of your card here. After you do so, you can basically continue the process and follow up the other instructions to activate your card. And once it completes, you should be able to activate your card on Discover. So you may follow up this process. You may basically follow up this process. You just need to head over and verify you're the person who applied for and received your card. And that is it. You may just follow up the verification process and you will be able to activate your card online for Discover. So this is how you activate a credit card for discover.com. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.